Hello friends, welcome to Chiwang Math class. Still on our topic, fractions, simplifying fractions. Okay, now to simplify fraction means to reduce that fraction to its lowest equivalent fraction that uses the lowest possible number. Okay, now let's look at this example. Now we have 27 divided by 54 to simplify. Remember, I told you that if you do the same thing to the numerator and the denominator, you may have a different number, but it's equivalent, but it is the same. So since we are reducing this or simplifying this one, we are going to divide. So to divide this one, to simplify here, we are going to look for a number that can enter both the numerator and the denominator without remainder. Okay, so we can do it in a series like this. So the number that can enter here and here without remainder is 3. So 27 divided by 3. Okay, so when we divide it by 3, here we are going to have 9. Here dividing it by 3, here dividing it by 3, we are going to have 18. Still 3 can also enter here, so let's divide here by 3. So when we divide here by 3, we are going to have 3. Divide 18 by 3, we are going to have 6. Still 3 can also enter here, so here divided by 3, here divided by 3. Okay, we are going to have 1. Here when we divide it by 3, we are going to have 2. Okay, so this is an equivalent fraction to this one, but this one is in its lowest term, so we have simplified this particular fraction. Or if we like, if we don't want to be doing it repeatedly like this in this series, we could just look for the highest common factor of the numerator and the denominator and divide it. Directly we just have this. So the highest common factor, okay, of 27 and 54 is 27. So you see, 27 can enter 27 one time. Now let's go to example 2. Example 2, okay, let's say we have 12 divided by 16. So let's solve it using the other method. So the other method, I'm going to look for the HCF, okay, highest common factor. So to find the HCF of 12 and 16, I'll do it this way, okay. Now you can do it separately. You can find his do for 12 and also 16 before you combine. But I love combining it together. So here this is 12 and also 16. So to do this one, I'm going to look for a number that can enter both 12 and 16 without remainder. Okay, and that number here is 2. So 2 into 12 is 6. Okay, 2 into 16 can enter 8. 2 also can enter 6 and also 8. So 2 can enter 6 3 times. 2 can enter 8 4 times. Okay. Now we reach a stage. You see this stage. No number can enter both 3 and 4. So when you have a step like this, when you reach a point like this, then your HCF now, HCF, you just multiply 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 will give you 4. Okay, so 4 can enter here. 4 can enter here 3 times. 4 can enter here 4 times. Okay, and that is it. So let's have another example. Let's call it example 3. Okay, let me say 15. Let's say again 15 divided by 20. Okay, so you see clearly we know that 5 can enter 15 and 20, but let's still do it. So let's find the HCF of both the numerator 15 and the denominator 20. Okay, so here the number that can enter 15 and 20 without remainder is 5. So 5 can enter here 3 times. 5 can enter here 4 times. So you see, we reach a point that no number can enter this and this, right? So our HCF now is just 5. So you see 5 can enter here 3 times. 5 can enter 20 4 times. Okay. Let's have another example. Okay. Let me call it example 4. Okay. So example 4 here we are having let me see 16. Say 16 divided by 40. Okay. 16 divided by 40. So let me find the HCF. So of 16 and 40. So the number that can enter 16 here without remainder is 2. So 2 can enter 16 8 times. Okay. Now 2 can enter 40 20 times. So 2 can also enter 8 here 4 times. 2 can enter 20 10 times. 2 can enter 4 2 times. 2 can enter 10 5 times, right? So you see, we reach a stage here where no number can enter both 2 and 5. So our HCF now, HCF will be 2 times 2 times this 2, which will give us 8. Okay, so you see, 8 can enter 16 2 times, right? 8 can enter 40, 8 can enter 45 times. So this is an equivalent fraction. So we have simplified this fraction right from this to this. So that is how we can do that. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly like, share, comment, and follow. Remember, I have a YouTube channel too. Please kindly subscribe to it. God bless you. Thank you.